Our solar system is a fascinating place. At the centre is the Sun, a giant ball of burning gas. Around the Sun orbit 8 planets, each unique. Mercury, the smallest and closest. Venus, hot and shrouded in thick clouds. Earth, our home, teems with life. Mars, the red planet, holds secrets of a watery past. Jupiter, a giant among planets. Saturn with its stunning rings. Uranus and Neptune, ice giants, lurk in the outer solar system. Collisions are a fundamental part of our universe's history. From the formation of planets to the birth of stars, these cosmic crashes have shaped the cosmos. The Moon is believed to have formed from a massive collision between Earth and a Mars-sized object. These collisions are governed by gravity, the invisible force that attracts objects with mass towards each other. The more massive an object, the stronger its gravitational pull. That's why the Sun, the most massive object in our solar system, dictates the orbits of all the planets. Momentum, the force that keeps an object moving, also plays a crucial role. Imagine a game of cosmic billiards, where each planet has its own trajectory and speed. If a planet were to be knocked off course, its momentum could send it hurtling towards the Sun. Now let's delve deeper into how this cosmic game of billiards could unfold. The Sun's gravity is like an invisible hand holding all the planets in their orbits. It's a delicate balance. The planets are constantly moving, trying to escape the Sun's pull. But the Sun's gravity is too strong. It keeps the planets from flying off into space. Think of it like a ball on a string. You swing the ball around, and the string keeps it from flying away. Now, imagine if something disrupted this balance. Imagine if a rogue planet, a wanderer from another star system, entered our solar system. This rogue planet's gravity could pull on the other planets, disrupting their orbits. If a planet's orbit is disrupted enough, it could be pulled towards the Sun. Mercury, the smallest and swiftest of the planets, would be the first to fall victim to the Sun's relentless pull. Positioned a mere 36 million miles from the Sun, Mercury already endures scorching temperatures. As Mercury inched closer, the Sun's gravitational grip would tighten, accelerating the planet to unimaginable speeds. This gravitational dance would generate immense tidal forces, stretching and distorting the planet, ultimately ripping it apart. The remnants of Mercury, now a swirling mass of vaporized rock and metal, would be consumed by the Sun. The Sun, already a raging furnace of nuclear fusion, would barely register the addition of Mercury. The real spectacle was yet to come. Venus, often called Earth's twin due to its similar size and composition, would meet a fate no less spectacular than Mercury's. Enveloped in a thick, toxic atmosphere and boasting surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, Venus is already a hostile world. As Venus drew closer to the Sun, the already intense heat would amplify exponentially. The thick atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide, would trap even more heat, leading to a runaway greenhouse effect. The immense gravity of the Sun would also exert its inexorable pull, generating colossal tidal forces that would stretch and distort Venus's molten surface. The end would come swiftly and violently. Venus, once a beacon of beauty in the night sky, would be torn asunder, its remains vaporized and consumed by the Sun. Earth, our home, the pale blue dot teeming with life, wouldn't be spared. As the solar system descended into chaos, Earth would face its own inevitable demise. Imagine our planet, once a vibrant oasis, transformed into a desolate, scorched wasteland. As Earth spiraled closer to the Sun, the once life-sustaining warmth would morph into a relentless inferno. Oceans would evaporate, transforming into colossal clouds of steam. Forests would ignite spontaneously, turning into raging infernos. The once familiar blue marble would be rendered unrecognizable, its surface a sea of molten rock and fire. The very air we breathe would turn against us, becoming a scorching, toxic soup. The delicate balance that sustains life on Earth would be shattered, leaving behind a barren, lifeless husk. Even in its final moments, Earth would put on a spectacular show of cosmic fireworks. Mars, the red planet, a symbol of humanity's extraterrestrial aspirations, would face a similar fate. Stripped of its thin atmosphere and any lingering hopes of harbouring life, Mars would become a desolate, irradiated wasteland. As Mars ventured closer to the Sun, the increased solar radiation would strip away its already tenuous atmosphere. The planet's surface, once sculpted by ancient rivers and volcanoes, would be bombarded with intense heat and solar wind. The Martian poles, thought to hold frozen water, would sublimate, releasing their icy grip on the planet's history. Tidal forces would squeeze and stretch the planet's core, leading to massive planet-wide earthquakes. In its final moments, Mars would be reduced to a molten, lifeless rock. The inner solar system, now devoid of its rocky inhabitants, would be a stark reminder of the destructive power of gravity. While the inner rocky planets would have long since succumbed to the Sun's fiery embrace, the gas giants Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune would face a different fate. These behemoths of the outer solar system, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium, would put on a final, awe-inspiring display of cosmic fireworks. As the gravitational dynamics of the collapsing solar system drew these gas giants inward, their immense gravity would begin to interact in unpredictable and chaotic ways. As they spiraled closer to the Sun, the increasing heat and radiation would begin to boil away their atmospheres, creating colossal tails of gas. Jupiter's Great Red Spot would be dwarfed by the planet-sized storms that would erupt. Saturn's magnificent rings would vaporize into a glittering cloud of debris. The other gas giants would suffer similar fates, their once majestic forms reduced to swirling masses of superheated gas and dust. The solar system, once a diverse collection of planets, moons and asteroids, would be no more, consumed by the very star that gave it life. While this scenario of all planets colliding with the Sun is highly unlikely, it serves as a stark reminder of the immense power of gravity and the delicate balance that holds our solar system together. It allows us to appreciate the rarity and preciousness of our planet and its place in the vast cosmic dance. By understanding the forces that govern our universe, we gain a deeper appreciation for the fragility of our own existence and the importance of protecting our pale blue dot. The universe is a vast and awe-inspiring place, full of wonders yet to be discovered. Let's continue to explore, to learn and to marvel at the intricate workings of the cosmos. Don't forget to subscribe to Star Talk for more cosmic adventures and mind-blowing explorations of our universe. Thank you for watching.